Hi guys, Debbie Pitts-Palmer here, DPP, coming to you live. There's something going on right now that's very, very exciting. And for those of you who may or may not know that I am an independent Scentsy consultant, and I just want to show that we have something exciting for you. And what I'm talking about is that normally it's $99 to join Scentsy, but Scentsy has made it possible for people to be able to join at a lower cost. And I want to show you the kit. And the way that this is done, you can actually host a party, and it could be as low as $200, for example. You can join Scentsy at a discount by hosting a party at a minimum of $200, okay? Anywhere between $200 and $500. The bigger the party, the greater the discount. So I want to show you the actual kit so you can see how awesome this kit is. It's greatly discounted, but it's like so awesome because I want to flip the camera around so you can see it right quick. Here you go, Sean. Got me? Okay, here it is. It's in a nice box. See how pretty the box is? Very decorative box. So I'm gonna flip it open so you can see what comes in this kit. First of all, we have the quick start guide. It says, "Welcome to the Scentsy Life." That's inside the kit. And it kind of gives you an idea about the other things that's inside the kit. Okay, as I open it up, some cool stuff in here. Let's see, there's some print your own labels inside here. Then there's Welcome to Scentsy Life Consultant Guide is inside this kit. Then there's some product lists. These are great to hand out. It shows everything that we have. Then there's also our showcase brochures inside here. Then there's a stack of catalogs. A whole stack of catalogs. That's pretty cool. And you have your order forms. Then there's little brochures. These are our host join brochures to hand out. Then we have, this is one of our washer whiffs, and this is a fragrance booster that you add to the wash cycle. It's inside there. It's pretty cool. Then we have an Edge Core Scentsy warmer inside the kit. This goes along with the warmer. This is the wax. This is Scentsy wax. This is actual wax that goes on top of the warmer. It looks like little ice trays, like really cool. It smells good. And we have, let's see what I'm leaving out. Oh, this is our product training guide also inside the kit. Then we have these testers because Scentsy has 80 fragrances to choose from. So all of these little testers in here, so that you can pass these around so people can smell and figure out what fragrance they want. You can use these for parties, events, or just when you're walking around, just hanging out, okay? So, and another thing that you will get is a free website the first 3 months. So I just wanted to show you guys that if you don't have $99, there are other options, and here's the other option right here. This is a discounted kit, and this is one that you can totally earn. Just let me know if you want more information about this. Please like and share my video, tag somebody, because we're coming up on the holiday season, guys. So I just want you to see what comes in this discounted kit. So thank you once again for joining me, and take care, guys. Have a great evening. Goodbye.